Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about how to access a HTML elements by using tag name namespace. What is a namespace? A namespace is a strategy where we are defining some rules and it is used to identify to avoid the functionalities or the variables or the methods collisions. For example, you have a two entities. Let me consider that entities as a car and a bike, both having some engines, something like start engine functionality. So whenever you explain to others, you will not say start engine because the people will be get confused because you are not mentioning which to start, whether it is a bike or a car. So in this case, you will mention by using a namespace like, can you please start engine of a car and of a bike? This bike and car indicates the namespace. Here you can avoid the collision between the functionalities. So that is called as a namespace. And let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code for better understanding. Here I have created a index.js file. Let me go here and use a document object and let me get elements by tag name ns, and here we are using one URL that is nothing but the default URL is xhtml. These are the namespaces which are defined by HTML itself. By default we will be targeting to that, and instead of targeting to that I can even target for star, that indicates the local one, and local name. The local name indicates the element whatever we want to get it. For example, I want to get all the elements. So let me use const elements is equal to, and let me print that elements. So now I am getting all the HTML elements. So let me quickly jump into the browser, clear it off, reload. You got five elements, that is head, HTML, head, script, body, and h1. So they are in the descendant order. That means from top to bottom. And also you can specify specific HTML contents like h1. Let me save this, and you will get only the h1 elements. And you can see here we are using tag name namespace. That means it will target only for the tag name, not for the attributes, not for the properties. So this is how you can access your elements by using tag name namespace. So how many namespaces we have? We have two types of namespaces. One is html and also svg. Not only this, we have xml namespaces also. So that is how you will be using your get elements by tag name namespace. And one note is, will not use more on this get elements by tag namespace, because by default we'll be going with HTML content. So don't bother about this method. Just aware we have something like get elements by tag name ns method inside our web API. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.